A general glances sharply, dagger hidden beneath folds of cloth. Scrolls crumple under wind, secrets slipping through my fingers. Outside, clouds clash. The storm refuses to release its grip. My hand shakes violently. I reach for water, for life, for hope. Whispers close in, plotting my fate from every shadowed corner. Wine spills across the marble. It mingles with what blood remains. I slump deeper. Generals watch, frozen in muted dread. A map sprawled across the table. Empires rise and crumble here. The goblet tilts, liquid spilling, reflections dancing on marble. I slump further, shadows of panic crawling across the room. Storms rage outside, the city trembles beneath the lightning. My face pales. I feel the approach of death in the shadows. Silence settles over the palace, mist drifting through empty halls. Hands reach for the goblet, trembling under flickering light. Babylon, night falls. Torches flicker as the storm rages outside. I lie weak on this ornate bed. Generals watch from shadowed corners. A goblet slides across the table. What's poured? I dare not know. The soothsayer warned. Bones charred. Symbols glowing in the dark. My chest burns. Pain stretches through the dim candlelight. Whispers echo down corridors. Plotting and scheming in silence. Hands grip the bed frame, the last anchor in a world tilting away. Lightning strikes, banners whipping. Babylon watches silently. Generals move through hallways, shadows stretching with intent. My hand drops. The world tilts further into darkness. Empty chambers, toppled chairs. Candlelight flickers once more. Silhouetted faces loom in shadow. Eyes glint with unreadable thoughts. Marble floors glisten. Blood and wine trace the weight of empire. Storm clouds begin to clear, pale dawn creeping into halls. The bed lies empty, crumpled sheets the only witness to it all. I am gone, the palace silent. History remembers or forgets. The shadows wait.